Hello random person on YouTube. So while I was gone for the last few months, I got a new battery for the car because the old one was dead. And I also installed new brake lines as well as shocks and springs. And today I'm gonna install this new EJ exhaust right here, as well as high flow Magnaflow cap. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so step 1. You should jack off the car like I did here, and then under the car. In front of the cat, you should see 2 nuts holding it to the downpipe right here and also behind here. Removing these nuts should allow you to slide the entire exhaust out from the back of the car. Alright, so I already sprayed these nuts with lubricant last night, so this shouldn't be too hard. And the second one. Alright, now I'm gonna start removing exhaust hangers like the one shown right here. To do this, I got this exhaust hanger pliers, and this should make the job a lot easier. Now I should be able to wiggle the exhaust out from the back. Well, since I can't wiggle it out, I'm gonna chop it up. Alright, so after the old exhaust is removed, we can move on to the new one. I got this Magnaflow cap for $149 and this Yonaka exhaust for $199, which is relatively cheap for an exhaust. So let's see what we get in the box. Alright, let's see what we got here. So, looks like a t-shirt, which is too big for me. And this thing. And some Yonaka stickers. Looks like a beanie. Let's try this on. Look good. And what is this? Oh. Looks like we got a license plate holder thing. Plastic. Alright, now let's get to the exhaust. Look at this muffler. Pretty good. So we got all of these for $199, which I think is pretty good. You got your mid pipe, your muffler, a license plate holder, that thing, stickers, tag, beanie, t-shirt, and also the hardwares. Now let's unbox this Magnaflow cap. Paper and flanges, and the cat itself. Now let's put these on the car. But before that, does it fit? Let's try. Sadly, it doesn't look like it fits. Sorry. That will be it for today's video, and if you liked it, hit the like button and also stay tuned for more Miata videos.